read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you are teaching well in the class and focusing on individually. Very good. Look over here. Our today's number is number 13. And what are the expected learning outcomes? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 13. Order and sequence number to 13. So, first of all, we will develop the sense of counting. How to count. After that, how to identify, how to trace. Get it? So, make a flashcard of number 13. Display different objects. Display money. After that, count them. Call individually, one by one, your students. Okay? They will count these leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 leaves. And 1, 2, 3, 3 stones. 10 and 3. Altogether, 13. 10 and 3 make 13. Okay. Here is 10 rupee note. You will call a student and you will ask about this note. This is 10 rupee note. These are 3 coins. 10 and 3 makes 13. 10 and 3 make 13. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 colorful parrots. 13 parrots rill and talk in the treetop. All of you pretend like that, rill around and pretend to talk like a parrot in a high-pitched voice. Okay? I hope so you understood how you have to clear the concept about counting the objects. Now, how to write it. Number 1 and 3. Start from the dot, count straight down. It will make number 1. Make semicircle, make another semicircle. It will make number 3. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 3, 13. Very good. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.